Angat.
Masigir ba na itong kuyog-kuyog? Makahatag lang na ito.
This is the food that we ate in the morning. This is our breakfast.
Oh.
You see, my auntie is preparing the food. She is so, what you call that? Kanang kugihan? She is so meticulous in preparing the breakfast. She is so good and kind woman. Very pretty also. You look at her. Never mind. It's early in the morning. Tanawa. Lami kaya mong sudan. No? This is the sauce of the spaghetti. This is pandesal.
Our coffee.
This is scrambled egg. And this is the fish. The butter and the kamote. What is this called? Sweet potato. In English, this is sweet potato. You look at our coffee, it's Kopiko. And auntie is laughing. We are so happy eating this food. Okay? Good morning to all.